anti-aging moisturizer. Now, making an anti-aging moisturizer is not really difficult. You can go ahead and you can use some oils, aloe vera gel, and just stuff that you have hanging around your home to make your own anti-aging moisturizer. The thing about making your own anti-aging moisturizer is that you got to know what ingredients works well with each other. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a quick and easy DIY anti-aging moisturizer. It's a moisturizer that can help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, boost collagen and elastin, lift, tighten, and firm the skin for not only your face but your neck and your décolleté. This moisturizer, you can add your favorite ingredients to it. Just make it your own and just basically use the base that I'm using. So if you're interested to see how I make an anti-aging moisturizer that can help to transform your skin, this video is for you. Now, before I jump in the kitchen, guys, please watch the video to the end. And we also have the products. Some of the products that we're using in this recipe are from our own skincare line, Khichi Beauty Skincare, and you can find it on the view products somewhere here or look in the description box below. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. So to make our quick and easy moisturizer, the first thing that we're going to use is some aloe vera gel. So aloe vera gel helps to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. It helps to soften the skin. It also helps to cool the skin. And best of all, it helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. For this recipe, I do not suggest that you use fresh aloe vera. So here we have the aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon. And I like to wake it up a little bit like I'm showing here. 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. So next I'm going to use some castor oil, and castor oil is a humectant, meaning it helps to draw moisture in the skin. All I'm using from the castor oil is about half a teaspoon. Pour that in. It's great for dry, flaky, or cracked skin. It's good to use all over your body, on your knees, your elbow, and it is high in rinsalicylic acid, which helps to calm the skin, making it great for even sensitive skin. My next oil is going to be star anise oil, and star anise oil contains antelope, a powerful antioxidant compound. It helps fight free radicals, which contribute to premature aging, wrinkles, and dullness, help to tighten and firm the skin, and help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Now, it's very concentrated, so all we're using is about 3 drops of the star anise oil. Always mix the star anise oil with other oils, and it is also a good oil for acne prone skin. We're making a quick and easy anti-aging facial moisturizer that you can whip up in the comfort of your home. So far we have aloe vera gel, we have star anise oil, and we have castor oil. And now we are going to move on, and we are going to add 1 other oil. You can choose an oil of choice. You can choose to add papaya seed oil. You can add apricot oil. You can add some rosehip seed oil, or even some aloe vera oil. You can add any 2 or any 3 of your favorite oil to this mixture. Today I'm just going to use some apricot oil. Now, apricot oil is made from apricot kernel. It's a light oil, and it's a very rich oil that is packed with vitamin and essential fatty acid, making it a gentle yet effective addition to most skincare routine, especially on dry, sensitive, or mature skin. It quickly absorbs and is perfect for hydration without leaving the skin greasy. So I'm going to be using about a half a teaspoon of the apricot oil. Pour this in, and now we are just going to mix this together, and we are mixing well. Now guys, I'm going to add 1 final ingredient to this, and this is going to be some vitamin A. Vitamin A is what makes retinol, and you know retinol take care of wrinkles, fine lines, boosts collagen and elastin, and basically help to transform the skin. Vitamin A is very, very strong, so you do not need a lot, 3 to 4 drops, and you do not use it directly on the skin. You always have to make sure that you dilute it, just like you dilute the star anise oil. So we're using, let's see how many drops. 1, 2, 3. We get 4 drops from the capsule, and we're just going to mix this entirely. Mix well. You can also choose to whisk this. And this is it, guys. This is how you make a simple anti-aging moisturizer at home. Make it your own. Now if you want to make more of this, go ahead and double up on the ingredient. And this is it, a quick and easy anti-aging facial moisturizer. You want to wash your face, apply your toner, your serum, and take a little of this and massage it on your face, your neck, and your décolleté. And this is good to use AM and PM on the skin. You have the moisturizer, and a little goes a long way. All you need on the skin is just 1 to 2 drops, just a small amount on the skin. Once you place it on the skin, you are going to massage it on the skin like I'm showing here, and look at that. This is just drinking it up. My skin is just drinking this up. This is exactly how you use it. Don't forget to use it on your neck and your décolleté. And there you have it, quick and easy, simple DIY facial moisturizer that anyone can whip up in their kitchen. Remember, make it your own by using the oils that you already have in your kitchen. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to give us a like. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment. I like reading the comments, so comment. And guess what, guys? I have 2 more videos here for you. Choose one and watch another video, and that's how you support the channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.